In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Namecheap domain to Hostinger via name servers. We're going to point your domain from Namecheap to your Hostinger hosting so your site loads from the correct server. This is a simple process. You'll grab the name servers from Hostinger, place them into your domain settings at Namecheap, save, wait for DNS to update, and then confirm the connection. Start by signing into your Namecheap account and opening the domain you want to connect. From your dashboard, locate your domain list and choose the domain's management page. You're looking for the section that controls name servers, or DNS. It's usually labeled name servers, DNS, or domain settings. If you see something like Namecheap basic DNS or a custom DNS already listed, that's just telling you where your domain currently points. We're going to replace that with Hostinger's details. Next, log in to your Hostinger account. In the hosting panel for the website or plan you're using, find the name servers section. Hostinger lists at least 2 name servers, sometimes more. Copy them exactly as shown, including any numbers and dots, and keep them handy. Accuracy matters here. One extra space or a missing character can delay the connection. Head back to Namecheap. In the name server or DNS area, choose the option that lets you use custom name servers. Remove any existing entries and paste in the Hostinger name servers, each into its own field. If there are only 2 fields, but Hostinger shows more, add as many as Namecheap allows, starting with the first 2. Double check for typos, then save your changes. You might see a confirmation prompt. Approve it so the update can take effect. Now, wait for DNS propagation. This is the time it takes for the new settings to spread across the internet. It can be as quick as 30 minutes, but it may take up to 24 or 48 hours depending on your provider and caching. During this period, avoid making extra changes and be patient. Fluctuating results are normal while things update. Finally, open Hostinger and confirm the domain is connected. In your hosting panel, you'll usually see a status that shows whether the name servers are correctly set. Look for a connected or active indicator, or use any available check name servers or verify button. If it's still pending after a full day, revisit Namecheap to confirm the name servers match exactly, then try again or contact support. That's it. With the name servers updated and propagation complete, your Namecheap domain will load your site from Hostinger.